Steve, the whole Celtic organization is sticking me through these times, and us bringing it home. And also, it's moments like these I get to enjoy, and I'm thankful that I get to enjoy today with my closest family and friends, and I'd like to acknowledge them today. They're in the building today. My high school coach, Patrick Roy. I'd like to thank you for pushing me. Scott Collins, 6 a.m. workouts. He's like a father figure for me that I didn't have growing up. I also like to thank Uncle Mike he's upstairs. I remember him from my first basketball court up in the backyard, so I'd like to thank you. Also, I'd like to thank what I like to call only my friends, but my support team, the guys who've been with me, Jason Crow, Alvin Taylor, and Del Ray. Also, Jason Clark is my cousin. I just want to acknowledge these guys who stuck with me. In our worst year, when I wanted to quit, I wanted to be traded throughout the dark times when things weren't going all real well, doing an 18-game losing streak. I also like to thank my fiance Julie for just being there for me. I'd like to thank also a couple people who weren't able to be here today. My oldest brother Jamal and my brother who's also here. These two are my biggest inspirations who got me involved